Have you been trying to grow your affiliate marketing business and not getting the results you thought you would, or the results that you were promised by the gurus? Well, today I'm going to give you a reason why that is and tell you what they don't tell you about success in affiliate marketing and what you can do to overcome this hurdle. So stick with me. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, before I get stuck into the juicy stuff, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to ensure you get notified when I release more videos. Today, I'm going to let you in on the little secret that they don't tell you about affiliate marketing, and maybe why it is that you're struggling more than you need to. A lot of people try affiliate marketing, don't get results, and then tell everyone they know, or they troll other successful affiliate marketers with their views as to why affiliate marketing doesn't work. It's sad really, because there is plenty of proof, including my own experience, that affiliate marketing does work. You just have to follow a specific strategy and be consistent. Let me explain a common scenario that I see, and you might be able to relate to that as well, so to set the scene, so to say. You get started with affiliate marketing and choose a product to promote. You send some traffic to the offer with excitement about the cash that's about to flow your way, and then you get crickets, nothing. Maybe you're a little more resilient than the majority, so you give it a few more goes. Maybe send some solo ad traffic, and maybe you get the odd sale, but nothing near enough to cover your costs. So what normally happens is you move on to the next product, or worse, you quit. So let's take a minute to discuss what the big players don't tell that is causing this problem and resulting in a lot of good people quitting before they have a chance to be successful. First, we need to be looking at the search volume of the product you plan to promote. Effectively, we want to know whether people are looking for your product. They're searching for the solution your product provides. There are a few basic tools that are free that you can use to do this research. There's TubeBuddy for YouTube data and Google's own keyword planner that will do this work for you very effectively. All you have to do is put your product name in the search tool and see what comes up. If the search volume is low, then you have a problem. You want people to be looking for your product offering, and here's why. If you're a beginner without a big email list or a huge number of subscribers on your YouTube channel, then promoting a product that isn't being looked for is going to be very difficult. In fact, it's almost certain to fail. Sure, you can pay for traffic, but that comes with its own issues. And you could try YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, solo ads. There are many options available to you, each with a steep learning curve and varying degrees of cost. And as a beginner, you likely don't have deep pockets to sustain the spend required to get results. And this is why it's so important that you are always building your email list. Your focus at all times needs to be about how to attract people onto your list, so you have traffic to send your offers to, rather than hoping for traffic to find you. So the solution to overcome this problem, and the thing that they don't tell you about success in affiliate marketing, is that you need to start by promoting a popular product. Do some research to see what's being searched for in your niche. Determine what people want and then give it to them in the form of an offer they can't refuse. For example, in the make money online or even the affiliate marketing niche, there are a number of products that are currently doing really well because people are looking for them, including Partner with Anthony, which is one I promote and you can access in the link below. Then there is ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer, Super Affiliate Accelerator or SAA, and a few more. These are all being searched for online and provide good solutions for beginner affiliate marketers. Once you've decided on the product or products you want to promote, your focus should be on building your email list and preferably YouTube subscribers. You do have a YouTube channel, right? You want to be growing your brand, which you can do with the consistent release of content. And if you aren't sure what type of content to produce or what to talk about, start by talking about the products you're promoting, which you should be using personally as well, which goes to your credibility. Now, there's one word of caution with this strategy, and that is to be careful of products that are potentially saturated. By that I mean products that are being promoted by thousands of people, which will make it difficult for a beginner to make any headway. The one way to address this risk is to create a point of difference. This could be in how you promote the product, the niche you target, or it could be in the supportive bonuses you offer for people to purchase via your link. Success in affiliate marketing is all about providing your audience with a reason to purchase from you. Like with my PWA offer, which you can access in the link below, I provide 30 days of personal support, a bunch of additional resources, and more importantly, the details of what you should and shouldn't do to succeed that aren't available inside the program. Personal support is a great way to help your customers get results and therefore make money, which in turn leads to a customer that's happy and more likely to come back and buy from you a second and a third time because they trust you. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you a better understanding of what you need to know to be successful as an affiliate marketer that they don't tell you elsewhere. So let's do a quick recap of the parts of the strategy. First up is research your products using TubeBuddy or Google Keyword Planner. Second is look for products that have good search volumes. Third is create a point of difference in your offer. 4 is avoid products that are saturated. And 5, build your email list constantly. Now, if you want to get started in affiliate marketing the right way, you can join the Partner with Anthony program with me and get 30 days of personal support and additional resources to ensure your success, and earning an income in the first 30 days at no additional cost to you. Click the link in the description to get started, and let's get you earning an income in the next 30 days. This offer won't be available for long, so make sure you claim your seat today. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get started, click the link in the description, and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get started the right way in affiliate marketing. Click the link in the description and let's work together for the next 30 days to get you making an online business and income the right way.